Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you like window seats or aisle seats?
I like aisle seats more
Oh, really? Why aisle seats?
because I can stand up easily. I don't like asking people to move.
Yes, that can feel uncomfortable.
Also, my legs need space. Aisle seats give me more room.
That makes sense. I like window seats.
Window seats? Why?
I like looking outside. The clouds are beautiful.
That's true. Clouds look very peaceful.
And I feel calmer when I can see outside.
Calmer means more relaxed, right?
Yes, more relaxed.
I understand that. Window seats feel quiet.
But getting out is hard, especially if people are sleeping.
Yes, that's the problem. You have to wake them up.
So both seats have problems.
Exactly. No perfect seat on a plane.
What about middle seats?
Oh no, middle seats are the worst.
Why?
No window, no easy exit, and two neighbors.
That sounds difficult.
Very difficult. I always avoid middle seats. You can practice saying, I like window seats.
Or I like aisle seats.
Good. Both sentences are very natural.
Can I also say I prefer window seats?
Yes, perfect. Prefer means like more.
Ah, I see. I prefer window seats.
So where are you heading?
I'm going to Tokyo.
Oh, nice. Business or vacation?
Vacation. It's my first time.
Really? You'll love it.
Have you been there before?
Yes, twice. Amazing city.
What should I see?
Definitely visit Shibuya and try the street food.
Street food?
Yes, takoyaki, ramen, sushi, it's incredible.
That sounds delicious.
Also, visit temples early in the morning. They're very peaceful.
Good advice. Thank you.
Where are you staying?
In Shinjuku area.
Perfect location, close to everything.
What about you? Where are you going?
Same city, actually. I have a business meeting.
Oh, what a coincidence.
Yes, small world.
Oh, what was that?
Just turbulence, it's normal.
Turbulence?
Yes, when the plane shakes a bit.
Is it dangerous?
No, not at all. It happens sometimes.
Okay, I was a little scared.
It's okay. The pilots are trained for this.
That makes me feel better.
Just keep your seatbelt on.
Yes, I will. Do you fly often?
A few times a year, for work and vacation.
I see. This is only my third flight.
Oh, you're still new to flying.
Yes, that's why I get nervous.
That's completely normal. It gets easier.
I'm a little hungry.
Me too. Airplane food is coming soon.
Do you like airplane food?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Haha, same. It's always a surprise.
Yes, you never know if it will taste good.
What do you usually choose?
Chicken. It feels safer.
Safer?
Yes, chicken is usually okay.
That's true. Pasta can be strange.
Very strange sometimes. Too soft or too dry.
And the sauce is different.
Yes, not like restaurant pasta.
Airplane food D1 line. Chicken or pasta? Chicken, please.
Chicken for me too.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
It smells not bad.
That's a good sign.
I hope it tastes good.
If not, we can laugh about it.
Yes, food disasters make good stories.
That's true.
It's not bad.
Mine is okay too. A little dry, but okay.
The bread is soft.
Yes, the bread is always good.
And they give us water.
Yes, stay hydrated on flights.
Hydrated?
It means drink enough water.
Ah, I understand. Stay hydrated.
Exactly.
Would you like something to drink? What do you have?
Coffee, tea, juice, soda, water.
I'll have orange juice, please.
And for you, sir? Coffee, please, with milk.
Here you are. Thank you.
Thanks.
Do you always drink coffee on flights?
Usually, yes. It helps me stay awake.
I prefer juice. Coffee makes me too energetic.
That makes sense. Everyone's different.
The cups are so small.
Yes, tiny airplane cups.
I finish it in 2 sips.
Same here. That's why I ask for 2.
How do we say not very good, not very bad?
You can say, it's okay.
Ah, it's okay.
Perfect.
What about just a little bit good?
You can say, it's decent.
Decent?
Yes, better than okay, but not great.
Oh, so this food is decent.
Exactly. You're learning fast.
Are you watching a movie?
Thinking about it, looking at the options now.
Is there anything good?
A few new releases, some comedies, some action films.
I want to watch something relaxing.
How about a comedy? Makes time pass quickly.
Good idea. Do you have a recommendation?
There's a new one with Sandra Bullock. People say it's funny.
Oh, I like her. I'll watch that.
The headphones are in the armrest.
Thank you. What will you watch?
Maybe an action movie, or I might just sleep.
Can you sleep on planes?
Sometimes, if I'm really tired.
I can never sleep sitting up.
Try closing the window shade. It helps.
Maybe later. I still want to see the view.
Do you want the window shade open or closed?
Open, please. I like the view.
Okay, but if the sun is too bright, we can close it a bit.
That's fine. Right now it's perfect.
What do you see outside?
Clouds. Lots of white clouds.
They look soft.
Yes, like cotton.
Like cotton. That's a nice way to say it.
Sometimes I see blue sky between the clouds.
That's true. Clear blue sky.
It's so peaceful up here. What time is it in Tokyo now?
Let me check. About 2 a.m.
So we'll arrive in the morning.
Yes, around 9 a.m. local time.
Will you have jet lag?
Probably a little, but I'm used to it.
How do you deal with jet lag?
I try to sleep on the plane, then stay awake when I arrive.
Even if you're tired?
Yes, it helps your body adjust faster.
That's hard.
It is, but it works.
What about coffee?
Coffee helps, but don't drink too much.
Why not?
It can make you more tired later.
Interesting. I didn't know that.
Also, try to get sunlight. It helps reset your clock.
We will begin our descent soon. Please return to your seats. What does descent mean?
It means going down. We're landing soon.
Ah, I see. How long until we land?
Maybe 20 minutes?
Oh, that's fast. Time really passed quickly.
Yes, talking makes the flight easier.
It really does.
Are you excited to arrive?
Yes, a little, but also a little sad.
Sad? Why?
Because this conversation was nice.
That's sweet. I enjoyed it too.
Do you feel nervous when landing?
Not really. Landing is actually safer than takeoff.
Really?
Yes, the plane is slower, more controlled.
That's good to know. I was nervous before, but now I feel calm.
I'm glad to hear that.
Seat conversations are nice.
Yes, sometimes strangers make good company.
I learned new words today, too.
Like what?
Turbulence, descent, hydrated, jet lag.
Good memory.
Thank you for being patient.
No problem. Your English is very good.
Really? I still make mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes. That's how we learn.
You're right.
We are almost there.
Yes, I can feel it.
Safe travels in Tokyo.
You too. Thank you for everything.
Anytime.
One last question.
Sure.
How do I say goodbye on a plane?
You can say, safe travels.
Safe travels.
Or, have a good trip.
Have a good trip.
Perfect.
We landed.
Welcome to Tokyo.
Thank you, Jake.
Enjoy your vacation, Emma.